Bitcoin is still dominating the crypto market, but we have some altcoins that are doing well. If we look at crypto bubbles, Popcat, Tia, ING, Mew, and some other coins that are in green are performing Bitcoin. If we look at this on the top 100 coins, if we go to the top 200 coins, you can see that we have Gold, Blur, Prime, BDX, Doc outperforming Bitcoin. Also, Baby Doge coin is outperforming Bitcoin today. However, guys, we don't have we don't we shouldn't forget what we might expect for Baby Doge coin to do, and not to forget Reef coin, because these coins are most of the coins that we are holding, we are investing in, on this platform, or like in our community. Most of the holders, most of the view of my viewers, are investing in Baby Doge coin, Reef coin, and other coins. But I want us to look at all of these project and more, or other project that I haven't talked about yet. I know most of you have coins that you want me to talk about, and I'm gonna do my possible best to talk about it today. Now, what I want us to get from this video is this: I want us first of all to keep learning how to identify market structure, when to know like when to buy, when to sell, when to take out profit. I want us to also look at the macro perspective of the market, what Bitcoin is doing, what the altcoin market is doing, Bitcoin dominance, how it impacts the market, the total trade, total two altcoin market, how it impacts altcoins. So I want us to look at all of this, to help us understand the expectation we might like, what we might expect for our altcoins. As I mentioned, I'm always gonna be doing the macro analysis to help all of us understand what might happen with the coins we are holding. And I know in this case, most of you are holding Baby Dogecoin, Refinance, like many other coins, but you guys don't comment your coins here, so I'm gonna be going with the ones that I keep seeing more attention. You are welcome, all of you. I can see you, Ange Mafo. You are welcome. Hi, Ange. Those of you who are watching on X, retweet this bad boy. Retweet me. Retweet, like send this out, and share this in the group. You say you are watching on YouTube. All right, let's dive into this. Let's begin. I think let's begin with this Bitcoin chart. It's very important we look at this. Bitcoin is still sitting around let's say the 67 price point. I want to fall down to the 4 hours time frame, because my analysis is gonna be based on this time frame. Now, I've found this vector, yeah, this blue vector. Whenever I see this blue vector, it signifies the end of trend. Well, at times also it signifies the beginning of an uptrend. And in this case, this might be that case in this situation. And why am I saying so? I'm saying so based on previous structure. Bitcoin break this structure, yeah, and went from higher highs. Most other altcoins haven't done the same. That's why it's very important you pay attention to what I'm about to say today on this show. Or Bitcoin has done this. Whenever Bitcoin breaks structure, most altcoins are going to follow Bitcoin to break structure. I mean, Ethereum, Solana, most of those altcoins are going to do the same. And these altcoins have a huge ecosystem. I mean, these blockchains, they have projects that are being launched on their blockchain, and they use their coins or their currency for gas fees. So if Ethereum is pumping, make sure that you have most Ethereum project that are top that move alongside Ethereum. And if Solana is pumping, make sure you have Solana project. I mean, project that are launched on the Solana blockchain. Same with any other blockchain coin that you are holding. So this is how it works. Now, we have seen this move to the upside for Bitcoin, right? And it's but okay to see retracement when price breaks structure. Now, we have seen this candle here. So the question is, are we going to see continuation up here? If we see continuation like this, it wouldn't be sustainable. It will be a fake move, okay? But if we see price do something like this, attempt to come down here, do something like this, move to the upside, then this is going to be a good move. Now, what I'm expecting for price to do is at least price should, come and kiss this 50-day moving average. Now, I think what price is trying to do is this moving average is attempting to make its way to the upside, so the price can kiss it, then make like this, then go to the upside, and price is gonna come back there. And by the time price is gonna come back there, this moving average must have made its way to this level here, and it's gonna bounce again from there, or at half of this zone. So this is what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. Now, if this happen, if Bitcoin is to do what I'm saying right now, okay, then it means that your altcoins or our altcoins are going to pump. Trust me. That's why you see altcoins are either doing nothing or they're just moving sideways. Okay, they are either doing nothing or moving sideways. 1%, 2%, 3%. They are doing nothing, nothing. And I had to show you guys this because Bitcoin is the alpha. Bitcoin moves the market, whether you like it or not. That's just the simple truth of the matter. Bitcoin moves the market. So, let me. Oh, I have been talking to you guys without sharing my screen. That's so bad. Oh boy. Thanks so much. I've been doing all this crazy analysis without showing my screen. Anyways, it happens at times when I'm so excited, when I'm so happy with what is going on. Now I have to go back again. Let me do this again. Okay. Now, what I was trying to share with you guys is this. Remember when price that if we go back, you can see we have been doing analysis from top here, down here. When price pump, price retrace back, and I mentioned to you guys that when price breaks structure, price always have to come back and retest structure. Okay, in this case, price breaks structure. Now, what do we expect price to do after breaking structure? We expect price to come and and hold this zone, this area here. And if price do something like this, moves like this, go up, then it's gonna be a good move. But if price does something like this now, move up, that's gonna be a fake move. It wouldn't be a sustainable move because there's gonna be, huge liquidity here to grab. Now, the right move for price to do is at least fake, then come and attempt this zone here, hold. What price must not do is come and make higher, lower lows here. So price can come right down here, around this zone here, around $63,000 for Bitcoin, but price cannot break this zone. If price break this zone, then it's going to invalidate this current option. Because right now, I'm looking at this zone now as the current trend for Bitcoin, this area now. No, so I'm looking at this as the first low. I want to see the second low form here before we confirm the next move to the upside. This can happen, or maybe it won't happen the way I'm saying. It can happen in a different way. Let me let me clean this chart and go back to this. So maybe it can happen like this. It can happen like this. It can do something like this, come down, bounce from this moving average, go to the upside. But in this case, it shouldn't break this zone either. It shouldn't break and close below here. So these are the scenarios that I'm looking at for Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin is going to do this, the next move to the upside, our altcoins are going to fly, like fly. Yeah, that's why you see most of the altcoins are just sitting there playing around. Okay, so Bitcoin, what are you doing? And in my previous live videos, I mentioned to you guys that the reason why you see these altcoins are dumping or are stagnant is because investors, the whales or market makers, they are dumping to buy Bitcoin. And when they pump the price of Bitcoin, make profit, they are going to take back the profit, buy back these altcoins, and pump it to the upside. In this case, I think if we see Bitcoin go to the all-time high, the next all-time high again, because Bitcoin has made an all-time high. If Bitcoin keep doing that, then trust me, the altcoin market is going to explode. The alt season will kick off. But again, we cannot deny that meme coins haven't been doing well. Meme coins have been doing well. And one of the meme coins that we talk about here is Baby Doge coin and the others that Baby Doge coin has been popular, because it's the trend of the day, and also REEF coin. But before we go to REEF coin or Baby Doge coin or any other meme coin, I want us to look at dominance. Dominance is important, guys, when we analyze the market. Dominance is heading towards what I mentioned to you guys earlier. Remember this chart, guys. Do you remember this structure? I told you guys that in my previous analysis that this is where I'm looking at for dominance to go. I am not a magician, but I have indicators that tells me or can predict what the market can do. And based on previous data, it has proven itself most of the time to do the same thing. So this is where dominance is going. Okay, and from there we can come and reclaim most of this liquidity down here. And when Bitcoin is going to sell off to reclaim this liquidity down here, the money is going to flow into altcoins, right? And the altcoins that are going to survive this are altcoins that are going to be moving alongside Bitcoin or move immediately after Bitcoin has moved. Okay, so you need to study your altcoin. Look at Bitcoin always. When Bitcoin is moving, are your altcoins moving? If they are not moving, then you should rebalance your portfolio and look for altcoins that move alongside Bitcoin. And if say you want to rebalance your portfolio, or so you are looking for someone to help you with portfolio management, feel free to contact me. This is my link tree. Go to the description of this video. You're gonna find my link tree, and there's a link here that says join the Beton Crypto Portfolio Management Community. Join my community, and I'm gonna help you with the right coins to hold in your portfolio always. And these coins are going to be making you money long term or on short term. Now, let's get back to this dominance. So this is my previous video about dominance stance. Nothing have changed. The trend is still there. We might see a huge dump in the market, and this might pump the dominance of Bitcoin to this level, and then we see a quick recovery back immediately. So this is what I'm looking at for dominance. Now, if we go to the total tree, now these are all cryptocurrencies excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. We have seen total tree form a sell signal here, and whenever we see such a sell signal, we want to see price go right down and form lower low. But in this case, price attempted, and we saw this stopping volume candle here. So I think that they want to go back towards where the alpha trend printed this sell signal and even go and make higher highs. So when they do this and come back, then I can say or rightly confirm that the altcoin season is back. We want to see this bad boy go right up to at least 1 trillion and even go right up to 2 trillion. And if that's the case, we might see the entire crypto market go right up to about 5 trillion. And imagine that the market goes up to 5 trillion and you are holding top altcoins that move alongside Bitcoin. Oh boy, this is going to be huge gains for you. So that's what I'm looking at for this whole stuff. Bitcoin, macro, there might be some news that might move the market, but the news are always going to reflect what the chart is saying. The chart always reflect to what the news. Sorry, the news always reflect to what the chart is saying. So the chart is always going to give us signal. Then the news is going to come to confirm the signal. So you have to make sure that you understand how to read the chart. Now let's get to Baby Doge coin. Okay, you see, my pivot analysis, or we are in this trade, by the way, and we are in profit already. But now there's something here that I've seen. This huge volume candle, this vector candle. For me to confirm that this move is gonna be the next move to the upside, because this move has been rejected here. It has been rejected here, in this area that I mentioned, that if we see price break below, we should still retest to this area. And if the retest is not able to break, above, like do something like this, then maybe we can sell from here. Those of you who, or you can take a trade from here. If you didn't take it from here, you can take it from here and place your stop loss above there, or you can cash out profit now. Those of you who, have been in this, like you are swing trading Baby Dogecoin and you want to wait for the next move, or you are looking for an exit, um, situation. So this is a situation where you're gonna exit. You would have exited a long time ago. Like, after this huge pump to the upside, you can see a break structure. Yeah, that's been this structure up here has been broken. Now we are gonna wait for price to see what price will do. If price break back up here, come back, then maybe the alpha trend can print a buy signal. But for now, the alpha trend printed a sell signal, and the sell signal stand. But if say we see a buy signal or pullback from here, then the target is gonna be where the alpha trend printed a sell signal. So you can cash out profit from there. And this is how the trade is gonna look like. So let me just set it up right now for those of you who want to trade this. You can look at this, or let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. So, or the 15 minutes time frame, so we can get a better entry there. Okay, so looking at this time frame right now, I would say that if say Baby Dogecoin is able to hold this zone here, if we see price is able to hold this zone, then you can place the trade, and the stop loss should be around this area. But price must be able to hold this zone, So let's see something like this. Yeah. So if we see price get back there, Even though we have seen the alpha trend pointed a buy signal, I want to see price get back to this zone. If price get back to this zone, then it hold this zone. And that's when maybe you can place that order and this take profit. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see where the take profit is gonna be. So let's see. So it's gonna be yeah. So that's gonna be a huge trade for you. So that's what I'm looking at. Usually the price might just recover only half of this vector candle, and price have done it. Price is staying above the alpha trend, so you can still say that if price stay above the alpha trend, stay above this range, then you can place that trade already. Then stop loss is gonna be down here, then cash out your profit here. So that's what I'm looking at, or that's what I think you should look at as well, and that's gonna be a good 3.14 risk reward, and that's good to risk reward. Good profit. So that's what I'm looking at now for Baby Doge coin on these lower time frames. Now, if I have to go to this chart of Baby Doge coin, I want to look at the other chart of Baby Doge coin. Let me take off the alpha trend. Let's bring in Baby Doge coin on OKX. Let's see. Now, this chart on OKX is one of those charts that I have been talking about here for a long time. Now, let me zoom out here, because I want us to see something here. Now, look at this move to the upside on the daily time frame. It printed this vector candle and it wasn't able to recover this vector candle. It printed another one again and take it to the next high. And we haven't yet seen a full recovery of the vector candle where we saw half. And usually, when the price is bullish, they recover half of that vector candle. And now price is back at this range. If we look at the volume profile, price is now around the POC. So if price break below the POC, if price does something like this, go below, then the next target is going to be this zone here. And if price is able to break below this zone, then the next target is going to be this zone. And if price hold this area, for Baby Dogecoin, then I think we can start seeing the next move. But if say price come right down here, I think there's high chances that they are going to come and recover at least half of this vector here, this one here. So pay attention to this, guys. Pay attention to this. It doesn't mean that Baby Dogecoin won't pump to like 10 billion market cap or but I'm doing this analysis for those of you who want to get better entries, or you want to trade this bad boy, you want to make more Baby Dogecoin, you want to see opportunities that are gonna help you buy more. And if you're using leverage, don't use leverage. I don't use leverage. I do more of spot because it's so volatile. I don't want to use leverage. If I buy spot, it's still good. I trade it and I have spot investment. Remember what I mentioned in one of my videos? You can have a Dogecoin, which one of it is spot and one of it is just, you trade it, like you swing trade it on spot, you swing trade spot, why the other you invest. So you use the swing trade spot account to invest in the normal Baby Dogecoin investment. So you are making more Baby Dogecoin and then buying, the other, like adding it to the other Baby Dogecoin. Now I'm not able to explain this. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, I think you understand what I'm trying to say. Yeah, you know, hopefully you do understand what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Shout out to all of you. I can see we have many of us today. Oh boy, we have so many people on X watching. 25 people are watching on X, 6 on YouTube. Facebook, one. Guys, do share to all the groups out there, share to all the people you know out there. Let's get more people. Yeah. I can see Yaya Monada say, "Let's go, Baby Dogecoin. Let's go to the moon. Let's go to the moon." So this is what I'm looking at for Baby Dogecoin. Baby Dogecoin. But to an extent, I want to believe you guys understood what I'm trying to communicate here. So I'm gonna explain again. You can have two wallets. One wallet is more of Baby Dogecoin investment. An investment is something you buy, hold for like the next 5 years. So you can have a wallet that when you can have a wallet that you buy only Baby Dogecoin and hold for 5 years. And that wallet, you can also have another wallet which you are trading Baby Dogecoin, spot trade, not futures trade. You can buy Baby Dogecoin from exchanges, you trade it, spot. Then you use the profit now to buy your Baby Dogecoin investment and then keep it for the next 5 years. So you add it to your Baby Dogecoin investment. And I don't know why I'm not able to explain this. This is simple. I don't know why. It's like but I think you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Some days are like that, Anyways, no hard feelings. It's just that I have to always try to say it because I want you guys to understand. This show. I know, like one last time, someone told me that your videos are so long. Make it 5 minutes. No, I don't do 5 minute videos. If you want 5 minute videos, go somewhere else. I'm not here for 5 minutes. I'm here to analyze the market properly for people who want to understand, people who want to take the market to the next level, want to take their investment to the next level. Not people who just want to come here and get hype. No, I don't do that. So yeah, that's who I am. Anyways, if you have any question regarding Baby Dogecoin, do post your question. If not, then we are going now to Reef. This bad boy have burned so many people out there. But I think what I'm looking at right now for Reef Coin, this is the 15 minutes time frame on Reef Coin. Looking at the trendy low and also this chart, it's giving me a signal that we might be heading towards the upside, at least towards the upside. I think so. So if price is gonna hold this zone, yeah, you know, if price is gonna hold this zone, yeah, then we might see the next move to the upside because I can say that we are in an uptrend, okay, for like on a lower time frame, we are in an uptrend. If I zoom this a little bit so you can see, price is rejecting this zone here. I don't want to see price break below. And even if price break below, we want to see a quick buyback, right? So we might expect price or we might see price for REEF break like this. REEF price might break, and then come back for go to the upside. So I think that maybe we have found the bottom from this dip, or maybe this is just a scam. I don't know. I don't care whether it's a scam or of course no, of course I care. I care whether it's a scam. I care so much about that. But I don't care if say people who don't understand how to make money got burned by something like that. I don't care about that because those people they refuse to learn how to analyze the market. Now, those of you who watch my previous videos, you know that I mentioned a long time ago, yeah, when this coin was pumping, I told you guys that this is fake move. I told you guys that this is fake move. And because it was fake move, I wanted you guys to be there the right time, to cash out profit. I didn't want you guys to, get burned. I wanted you guys to cash out profit on time. That's why I drew my fifth tool here. I drew my fifth tool here. Let me bring it again. I took it from the bottom, yeah, to the top. And I found where the golden pocket is. And I said that they are going to at least bring price around the golden pocket, and possibly they can even come right down here and eat all of these, gains that they have made here for Reef Coin. Now, for us to confirm that we are back in an uptrend, okay, we must get back into this range. Price must get back into this range, yeah. Then move around this range before we expect the next move to the upside. Price must do that. At least recover half of this vector. And if price recover half of this vector, it's gonna mean price is gonna go above this range. This or get into our range, which is good. Now, for us to say that, or if I say that now we have seen the bottom of this coin, or the pullback is done. This is where the pullback is gonna end. I can rightly still bring my tool here from the top to the bottom to get the next target, the next zone where they can push price to, and this has given me this zone now. So this is the next target that I'm looking at. This target here, this zone here, which makes sense because this is where we had the previous high. Look, you can see we saw multiple rejection here. So there is it's gonna be highly right. Let me say highly. What am I even saying? It's gonna be right to say that price might get to this point, to this area. I don't know. At times I say things that's like if I'm highly right. What's the meaning of highly right? Oh boy. Anyways, so this is what I'm looking at for um Oh, my stream on X stop. I don't know why. Uh, my stream on X stop. I don't know why. Anyways, that's what I'm looking at for REEF. So if you have any question regarding that, then you can post your questions. But again, if we look at this time frame, the 15 minutes time frame, we can see what price is doing, moving sideways in this range, moving sideways, and I want to see price break this zone. If price break this zone on that time frame, then we might expect a pullback. Which is something I think is possible. Now let's see the liquidation heat map. Let's see what's there the next 3 days. Okay, for Bitcoin, I think there's high chances that we can see Bitcoin go right down to this price point again. Again, we can see it for the next 3 days. It can go right down to $64,000, right, for Bitcoin. So pay attention to that. If it does get to this zone, then we're gonna see huge buyback, and this is gonna pump the price of altcoins. So that's what I'm looking at for Baby Dogecoin, refinance, Bitcoin, and so on and so forth. If you have any question, Trump coin, please talk about REEF. Yeah, I already talked about REEF. I don't know what else you want me to talk about REEF. If you have any question about REEF, you can post the question. But let's go to Trump coin. Let's see what Trump coin is doing. Trump coin is actually bullish, guys. I'm still holding Trump coin anyways. I talk about this coin with you guys, and I think most of you are holding the coin already. So I'm not gonna spend much time on Trump coin. Let's see. It's up to the past 24 hours, 6% already. Okay. Yeah, Trump coin, my TA for Trump coin still stands. Um, the target should be around $8 for yeah. You can see this huge pump here. Okay, you see this huge spike here. So I think this candle now is gonna take price to this zone. Now, what might happen with Trump coin here? If we look at this structure, remember what I mentioned to you in my previous videos. When you see a downward trend like this, first of all, you have to look at the nearest resistance. This was the nearest resistance. Price break this resistance, came back and retest it. So what we expect is for price to continue and go to this level here. And if price get to this level here, this zone, if price get there, we should expect pullback at least. Or if price is not able to pull back, price can still do like this, go right up there, you know, for pullback a little bit. So in any case, I'm looking at $12 as the target where I can completely say maybe we are not gonna go further or we can end there and retrace, and this might be towards the election. That's why I think I'm gonna be doing a live stream on election day, November 5th, I'm going to be live. So we look at market structure, what is going on in the market, the crypto market. I think Bitcoin might pump or dump on the 5th of November. So I want to be there with you guys, so that we don't get burned. If Bitcoin is dumping, the altcoin market is dumping, then we might get burned. So I have to be live with you guys so we don't get burned. You want to be live with me. If not, you might wake up and find your portfolio go down to zero. Yeah. So that's what I'm looking at. Let's see. Please talk about REEF. Yeah, Trump coin, REEF, heat map. No, REEF is not on heat map. REEF is not on heat map. I think REEF is not on heat map or heat map. Not heat map. Heat map. Let's see if I can find REEF here. No, REEF is not here. These are the coins that are here. REEF is not here. No, it's not here. REEF is still a small coin. It's not yet here on the heat map. Let's see. Guys, are you understanding, or was this stream, well understood? Have you understood most of the things I've said here? Comment below if you understood what I've been saying here. Because I think to an extent we have to get going, with the stream. I think I've said already what I have to say today. Unfortunately, my stream on X got finished, got stopped. Chinyere Okoya, good evening. Good evening, good evening. I don't know why my stream, on X stopped. And for some reason, my stream stopped on X. I don't know why. Let's just go on X. If say you are when you follow me on X, make sure you do follow me on X. Let me go on X and see why my stream there got ended. Yeah, this was a stream on X. It got ended. I don't know why. You know. Okay. It's fine, guys. If you are when you follow me on X, go and follow me on X. My X name is BETONG. So go and follow me. Go and follow me on X. Oh, guys, I think that's it for today. If you are coming now, you are joining us now. Go and watch the video from the beginning. I'm not gonna explain again from the beginning. Go and watch from the beginning. Tomorrow, same time, we're gonna do this same time. No, tomorrow, no, tomorrow I'm not gonna be live. I might be live tomorrow in the morning. I think not. Tomorrow I won't be live tomorrow. So yeah, see you guys maybe weekend or on Monday. Yeah, I think maybe weekend or on Monday. We're gonna discuss more. But I won't be live tomorrow. But I can share some stuff on X. So make sure you follow my X platform. All right, guys. Or maybe I can even be live this evening. I don't know. Well, I think where you are is already evening, most of you. But I'm in Maryland, United States of America, right now, and it's still afternoon. Yeah, so maybe I might be live evening time, our time, and that will be morning time, your time. So yeah, in the morning, your time, not morning time, your time. Today I've been saying stuff that I don't know. It's like anyway, guys. I've been speaking nonsense today. Tautology. Crap. Anyways, see you guys in the next video or the next time I'm live. If you want to be live, if you want me to be live, then comment below. I'm gonna be live again for you guys. But if you don't comment below, then I won't be live. But as of now, I have to go. But I'm gonna come back for you guys if say you want me to come back to you live again. I don't want the video to be too long. At least those who were not able to watch, they can come and watch afterwards. At least this is gonna help them somehow. You know. But if you have any question regarding crypto or anything else, let me give you guys 1 more minute or 2 more minutes before I go. So if you have any question, you can post your question right now, and I'm gonna respond to you before I go. I wanna hang out with you guys, but I've already um talk about what I came here for. And if you guys want to hang out with me, then fine. If you're gonna hang out with me, then I'm gonna go right now. Today I'm able to speak. Anyways, guys, I can see you are leaving, so have a nice day. See you on Monday or tomorrow evening. Bye bye. Ciao.